Just assumed I'd play the part.
Hey, how's it going, guys, and welcome back to another box opening. Today we have got a YuGiOh Ghosts from the Past display box. We're going to open this. It's got 5 boxes in it. Each box contains 3 packs containing 5 cards. If we get a ghost rare, then, you know, it's time to celebrate. I can retire from the pack opening world. This was £75, finest British pound, limited to 2 per customer, so they are still quite rare over here, I'm guessing, because the website I used did have a limit on them. You couldn't get too many to your house. Luckily though, I've got multiple accounts, so we might be able to do something. These, I don't think I'm going to be able to have this on stream like I did the others, because they're massive, they're chunky. That is your box, that is your box, that is what you get. That is what you get. They've changed the packaging in the UK from what they are in America. America has a really nice box that opens up. But yeah, all that packaging comes for 3 cards, 3 packs of cards. Scissors are going to be needed for all of these because everything's taped down, so you can't steal them. Heart of the cards moment. The boxes are actually quite nice for them. I'll give them that the boxes are nice. How the hell did you get into these? There we go. I probably should just open all the boxes and just get all the packs out and then jump back into when I've got them all. But it's nice art. It's nice art on them. Let's go. 5 cards per pack. Again, it's one of them sets where everything's an ultra rare, so is it really ultra rare if everything's an ultra rare? But we have Update Jammer. The Time Thief Hack comes up next. We have Medical Chateau. XYZ Burst. Hetric Seal of Heavenly Spheres comes up next. So we shall see. Again, at the end of the video, like I've done for most of the others, I will put up how much value you get for buying these products, if it's worth it or not. I mean, let's hope. Here we go. It's our first Dark Magician pack. Can Dark Magician hold a Ghost Dark Magician? Miracle Synchro Fusion. Salvage. The Monarchs Erupt. The Lava Dragon. And Sunvine Thrasher. Right, here we go. Box 1 is nearly done. Cosmojo kicks us off. The Sunvine Maiden. Fairy Tale Tales. Arc Brave Dragon comes up. Starry Night Sky. Ends that box. That's box 1 done. 4 more to go. 4 more. Let's hope. I've lost my scissors. I'm guessing they're always the same sort of 3 cover art. It would have been good if they put all the ghost rares on. Maybe they do, but I've got the same 3 again. So Gear Town comes up first. Buster Dragon, that's a nice card. Time Thief Retrograde. Metal Falls Slivered. I think I've got that one. No, I haven't. And Starry Night Sky again. One thing you don't want to get in this set, because there's not that many cards in it. I think there's 132, 136, something like that. And since you're going to get 75 cards per one of these, whatever it is it? Maybe? Yeah, 75. You don't want to get your duplicates. The Sunvine Shrine, and there's another duplicate. Magical Chateau, Remenfold's Bismugear, Starry Night Estelle, and ooh, that is a very nice card. Oh god, Heretic Sky Dragon, Overlord of Heliopolis. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take the card. Let's go. So there's still quite a lot of Dragoonity cards in here that I'd like to get. Whether we do or not, yet to be seen. Metal Folds Steeline, Metal Folds Combustion, Recover, Salvage again, and Dragoonity Glow. I believe that's quite high up on terms of value for the not ghost rares. So far, 2 packs down, no sign of that ghost. Maybe it's in the last box. We've got to hold out that it's building suspense and making for a great video. Heart of the cards and all that. Again, we've just got the same 3 pack art, so I'm guessing that there's no like Blue Eyes pack art or anything like that. It is just Blackluster, Dark Magician, and I don't know what that one is, unless that is the Blue Eyes. Maybe it's a revamped one. Medical Fresh Sister. There's a waifu for Melon. Pier Town. Resonator Call. Ooh, that's quite nice. Heretic Dragon Asset. And Meteor Black Comet Dragon. That is a nice card. So we have Evil Fawn. There's another plant coming for Glitteran's plant deck. Metal Foes Volflame, Heretic Sundragon Overlord, Mask Change 2, that's always good. I've got a Heroes deck, and Dragoonity Armor Gram. One more pack from this box. The hope is fading. Hope is fading. Mist Valley Baby Rock. Splash Mage comes in. Metal Foes Fusion. Dragon Knight Draco Esquite. And Orchestrated Return comes back. 6 more packs in the box. Let's say now, if this video gets, I don't know, let's say, what's good for me? Let's go for, let's go for 10, because they're expensive. If it gets 10 likes, I'll buy another box, and we'll go again, and we'll try and get a ghost rare again. I can get one more, and then I think I'd have to send them to a different house. Larval Volcano Handmaiden, the Update Jammer, Cosmo Dark Lady, Artifact Druendel, the Time Thief Adjuster comes in. I don't know what that pating was, I think it was my phone. Makes 7 more accounts. Backup Secretary. Savalon Dreas. That's one of the cards that you need in a plant deck. It's one of the better ones to run. The Time Thief Startup. Seal of Reflection and Raid Raptor Tribute Lannis. One more pack and then we come on to our last in the box after this. We got one more. Ojama Country starts us off in here. Sun Avalon Bloom. Meta Foes Counter, Cosmo Tin Can, Dragoonity Glow comes in. So last in the box, let's just move that out of the way. There is nothing else now. This is the last one. Do we get a Ghost Rare? Which one? Which one do we leave till the end? Can you please shush? Which one do we leave till the end? Let's go for... We'll leave Dark Magician. Dark Magician will be the last pack we open. Because there could be a Dark Magician in Dark Magician's thing. Let's go for this one. We'll build suspense, get into that last pack. So we have, to end off, Time Thief Flyback, Metal Foes Combination, Terror of Terusha, Giganance, and Nisha Doll Genius. Decent cards. Here we go. Another one for Melon leading things off. It's Medical Puddingcess. Metal Foes Counter. Time Thief Bezel Ship Royal Prison. And Starry Night Flannel. So here we go. Last pack off the box opening. Dark Magician, Heart of the Cards, come on. Chances of... We take any. We take any. So, we have... Here we go. Metal Foes Gold River. The Buster Dragon. Got a little bit hopeful when I seen the white. Metal Foes, Steelade, we have the Hetric Dragon, King of Autumn, and to end off, we have, it's the right colour. It's the right colour. We're going for it. We're going for it. We're going for it. It's Dragoonity. It's not. It's Dragoonity Legatus to end off the pack. That is the box. That is everything about this. To be fair, they're nice cards. Like I say, if we get 10 likes on this video, I will buy another pack, another box of these Ghosts from the Past and do another box opening. And just go till we try and get a ghost rare. But so far, they're decent. They're decent cards. Whether it's worth the money or not, yet to be seen. I'll put the price in now. But yeah, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you did enjoy. I am now going to ask you to check out the rest of the channel. There is more Yu-Gi-Oh! Pack openings. They will appear somewhere on the side. Whatever the end screen says, they're going to decide. Check out all the social stuff. That's all down below. Be sure to check out the Twitch channel where these are recorded from live. Be sure to check out Lost Souls on Twitter and YouTube. And yeah, until next time, ciao for now.
I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation.